For Lord, there is no difference between matter and spirit. So when the Lord accepts even a deity form in this material world or a sound form in this material world, one should not differentiate between his external form and the transcendental deity form, because the external deity form, in fact, he is making us, giving us an access to this transcendental form of the Lord. A completely spiritualized Satchidananda-ist Vigraha and deity worship, how you should be worshipped, what all should be offered, etc. And foremost of that, he tells Uddhava that devotion and Shraddha is the most important thing in deity worship. What is the Shraddha? The Shraddha is that the Lord is present here, the infinitely compassionate Supreme Personality of Godhead, all-loving Supreme Personality of Godhead, the reservoir of love, reservoir of sweetness, reservoir of Satchit Ananda, that Lord has kindly present before me to receive my services.